Welcome back to Web3 and AI Made Simple. Today, I want to talk about something that comes up a lot, sometimes directly, sometimes indirectly. So, people often ask, is Web3 the same thing as AI, or do I need to understand both? And usually, underneath those questions is something simpler. Why do these two things keep showing up together? So today, let's talk about how Web3 and AI actually work together and why that connection matters most than people realized. So first, let's clear something up. Web3 and AI are not the same thing. They solve different problems. AI is mostly about intelligence, automation, and assistance. Web3 is something about ownership, control, and trust. But here's the key: when they combine thoughtfully, they balance each other. One adds capability, the other adds structure. Let me give you an analogy that usually helps. Imagine AI as a very fast assistant. It can analyze, summarize, generate, and predict quickly. Now, imagine Web3 as the rules of the room. Who owns what? Who decides what happens, what transparent and what isn't? AI can act. Web3 can define where, how, and for whom action happens. Without rules, intelligence can be misused. Without intelligence, rules don't do much on their own. Why this combination actually matters? This matters because AI is becoming more powerful very quickly. And whenever power increases, the question becomes, who controls it? Web3 introduces ideas like transparency, decentralization, user ownership. And those ideas help answer questions like who owns the data AI learns from and who benefits from AI outputs, who is accountable when things go wrong. Well, these aren't technical questions, they're human ones. And where people actually started to feel confused. So here's the thing: a lot of confusion happens because people hear these terms separately. AI gets talked about in terms of speed and capability, Web3 gets talked about in terms of systems and infrastructure. But when you zoom out, both are really about power. AI concentrates power through intelligence. Web3 tries to distribute power through its structure. That tension is important and healthy when handled well. You don't need to understand blockchains or machine learning to grasp things. Think about who owns creative work when AI helps generate it, who controls digital identity when systems make decisions about people, who benefits when automation replaces or assists labors. Web3 asks ownership questions. AI introduces efficiency and scale. So together, they force society to think more carefully about fairness and, of course, responsibility. And why this should matter. Let me tell you, you don't need to build with Web3 or AI for this to affect you. These technologies influence work, creativity, privacy, and of course, opportunity. Understanding the relationship between them helps you ask better questions, spot hype more easily, and make decisions without pressure. Knowledge creates steadiness. So instead of asking, do I need to learn Web3 and AI? A calmer question might be, what kind of future do I want to participate in? You don't need to rush into tools. Understanding the ideas comes first. Participation can come later or not at all. And as I always say, why this podcast connect this to, I talk about Web3 and AI together on purpose. Separately, they can feel overwhelmed. Together, they make more sense. One is about capability, one is about responsibility, and human judgment sits in the middle. Thank you for spending this time with me on Web3 and AI Made Simple. If this episode helped things click, even just a little, you're exactly where you need to be. In the next episode, we'll talk about how to approach Web3 and AI personally without pressure, without fear, and without feeling like you have to commit to anything. Until then, stay curious, stay grounded, and stay human. My name is Riza Yichili here at Web3 and AI Make Simple.
Web3 and AI made simple for you. No hype, no jargon, just what's true. From blockchain basics to power plays, we break it down in human ways. From first steps to next level flow, with LLMs, watch your skills grow. Business calling.